Hey Sam, so if you're wondering how you can find content to produce for whatever platform you want to do, then stick around because I'm going to talk about that. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So you're out of ideas to create content, right? And you want to know how to look for ideas that you can create content for. Well, Google is the first thing you should check out because when you're typing in a search, there's going to be a list of things you can look at, because whatever you're typing in, whatever you see on that list, those are the most search terms. Those are most search keywords that people are looking for. And you want an existing audience already that are looking for those words, right? So that your content you create could be viewed and be seen by people that are actually looking for it. People who are on search engines actually have a higher intent on clicking on the button that shows what they're looking for, right? So let's talk about keto, because I'm doing keto and I'm super familiar with keto. I've been doing keto for 2-3 months now, and keto is just basically doing an ultra low carb diet where you don't eat bread, you don't eat rice, you don't eat anything like that, but you're eating more content with fat because you're essentially changing your fuel system into burning fat instead of burning carbs. So that's what keto basically is. And let's say, all right, so simply I just type in how to lose weight with keto, and there's a lot of things you can make videos or blogs about already, but let's make it even more focused. Keto diet, foods, even more. This is much more focused because you're not talking about weight loss. You're just talking about keto. Let's see, foods to avoid, a list of foods for beginners to eat, recipes. This is a really good one. Now you're just branching. Keto diet recipes, keto diet recipes for weight loss, recipes for breakfast, recipe book, recipes for diabetics. Now, this one is going ultra focused, ultra specific, because there are actually people that are diabetics and they're looking to do keto to help them out. It's a whole science to becoming keto because there's insulin levels and things like that. I'm no expert, but once you do keto, your insulin levels are spiking because you're not taking in any carbs, and carbs are sugars. You could check that out too if you want to go deeper, and there's apps that can help people too to track how well they are doing at their keto. Now let's look at something else. Let's do a wealth niche, a wealth category, and let's see how to make money niche, right? So there's a bunch of things here that you can make videos of if you're into the wealth niche, the wealth category. Making money online, making money fast, making money from home, on TikTok, YouTube, OnlyFans, Audible, Pinterest, Instagram. All these things are possible. But if you want to take it further a route, if you want to just do online, you want to stay remote and just travel everywhere you want while making money online, you can make videos for this too. How to make money online, how to make money for free, how to make money online fast as a teen, legit, for beginners. Let's say for free, if people don't have money to spend, you can make videos on how they can just sell things on eBay. So looking for things lying around your house and just putting it on eBay. If teenagers are looking to make money, you can teach teenagers how to make money without opening a bank account, because they're not old enough to open a bank account, or they can just you can figure it out with teens. A video on how to make money online, legit, meaning they already have a preconceived thought of making money online. Is a lot of the things are garbage and they're scams, right? So they were looking for legit ways to make money online, and you can provide them how to do it. Beginners, people that haven't made a dime online yet. So this is for beginners. From home, online from home. Pretty much same thing as remote, where you make money while traveling. It's the same thing. Not something that's tied down to you, right? How to make money online jobs, online 2022. So this will probably last only for a year, right? Because 2023 is coming up next. So you want to make like, these are videos that you want to make annually. And this is the same thing as for free. So that's Google. You just type something in, look at the list, and it's the same thing with YouTube too. Let's say how to make money online. Ethiopia, there's a lot of people. Nigeria. Well, the thing is, Ethiopia, Nigeria, mostly developing countries. There's a legality issue, so a lot of companies don't want to work in those countries, so it's going to be harder for them. But that's just one that's just one demographic you can just omit because you want to make money yourself. You can go even deeper. Let's say you want to do affiliate marketing, right? Plenty of videos that you can create based off just one simple search. Look at that. Even more content you can make. Now, Bing is the same thing. It's just another search engine. How to make money on. So you can pretty much type in one letter after the last word and just see what is available, what kind of content you can create. Look at this. Online, YouTube, Audible, Amazon. Let's type in a letter, Y specifically. They give you a list of things that start with Y. YouTube, your phone fast, YouTube videos, YouTube, mostly YouTube, I guess. Your computer, on your computer, YouTube Shorts, YouTube without filming, things like that. Let's look at A, Audible, Amazon, Audible, same thing. Well, let's look at S, Steam, social media, stocks, Spotify, SoundCloud, Snapchat, on side, Sims 4, yeah, if they want to look for games, things like that. FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon, Facebook, Fiverr, Feet Finder. What? All right, let's look at something else. Google, GTA, GoFundMe. There's a lot of content you could do depending on what you're looking for, right? And using this strategy to go deeper on your niche, right? You could just get a lot of ideas you can create. Get a lot of ideas you can make content with. Oh, OnlyFans, it's very popular, I guess. Let's see, OpenSea, which is crypto, which is NFTs. That's what OpenSea is. All right, so use that strategy on every single search engine you can find because people use different search engines, and there's going to be a lot of different ideas that you can make content with. Now, the next website I'm going to show you is really the first website I used to create my own content, which is blogs. It's called answertherepublic.com. So what they do is they look for the most searched terms and give you a list. They provide you a whole list of what people look for with one or two keywords that you put in, either topic, brand, product. In our case, let's do affiliate marketing because that's what I did. And that's all the information they gave me when I started doing affiliate marketing blogging. When I blogged about affiliate marketing, right? So here's a huge list of ideas you can use, and that's the visualization. If you want to read it properly, you could use data or data, however you want to pronounce it. So check that out. These are all the questions and statements that people search up every single search engine. So are affiliate marketing courses really worth it? Can affiliate marketing make you rich? That's another video. How affiliate marketing works? That's another video. What affiliate marketing is and how it works, which is kind of another rehash of two questions. When affiliate marketing started, if they want to look for the history of it, where affiliate programs. So things like these, you got to make sense to it, add more words to it. Where to affiliate market, I guess, where you can market your links, your affiliate links, things like that. If you want someone to buy something from you, so you want to use these words that have lots of intent, then you make a video on one of these hows, because people who are looking for things on how to do things, they're probably a lot more willing to invest in something, right? Because how to do things means there's an intent of wanting to do something versus can can affiliate marketing make you rich? Like, they're just wondering if affiliate marketing can make you rich or become a career or make you a millionaire done without a website. There's no intent on actually purchasing something with these sentences, because they just want to know. They just want knowledge whether or not it can happen. But how to do it, people who are searching up how, they have an intent on actually doing it. Meaning they are further down the line of opening the wallet and paying for whatever you're marketing, right? Because they want to know how to do it so that they can do it themselves. That's why they're typing in how. I'm sorry, yeah, I'm a little bit sick today, but I do need to get this video out to let people know. I need to let you guys know how you can create more content. What I use to get so much ideas to create content, because this is what I did when I first started. It works out really great. All these are keywords. So really use these strategies. Use these strategies to create more content, because content is king, especially if it's valuable. Valuable content is king. Valuable content will help you market. Valuable content, the more you give, the more you get back, right? Because people value, right? People love value. People want to know how they can improve themselves. People want to know how to do things. And people are always searching for this because school never taught them these things, right? Not to the point where they're satisfied, at least. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two. I hope you got an aha moment on how to create more content, find more ideas for your blogs or video content. And if you did, please leave a comment down below and smash that like button. And if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing yourself, make sure you click on the link down below. You'll get to opt into a free 4-day video training series where you learn about affiliate marketing and how it can benefit you in the future. So take that massive action, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.